Well, it's a lovely day for the first day for a long time now. Gary's out in the log cabin tinkering. I had a lawnmower left out in my drive. I think it was one of my neighbour's ones. So we're going to have a quick look at that, find out what the problem is with it, and try and get it going. Right, here we go. What was the problem with it?
Well, he brought it in because when that was obviously on there, and he was pulling, and you can see it's not engaging.
Yeah.
So I found what the problem is.
What is it?
The dog legs ain't swinging out, watch.
Oh, right. Yeah, they should come out and catch onto the little, like that, little things there, like that, yeah.
On both sides.
Are they coming out now?
No. I've moved them up, but I think we're going to have a look inside it.
So they should throw out automatically, them things.
Yeah.
Are they under tension? They seem like they're under a bit of...
Bit sticky.
Yeah, there's a bit of rust in them. I don't know if you can take that apart, can you?
I'm not sure.
Failing that, have we got another old Suffolk punch here?
I'm not too sure. I'll have to have a look, so I know I've got rid of them. Also, I did have a petrol leak as well. I had to just trim the end of the hose off because it was cracked.
Oh, right, yeah. So this isn't the Suffolk punch, so it's a classic 35S Qualcast. So, is it running? No, we've not checked it yet, have we?
Don't know, I ain't started it yet, no.
Right, so just disconnected the plug there, folks, as you can see. So you can actually start these with a drill, just by putting the drill on there and spinning the engine around that way. But we'll see if we can lube that up, and maybe if it doesn't come apart, we'll have to sort of try and get in there somehow. Failing that, we'll have to get another part for it. So coming over here, we have got a couple of old lawnmowers that are similar to that. Let's have a little look here. No, I don't think they are they? We did have an old Suffolk punch, but this is an Atco with a slightly different setup, I think. I'm not sure. Oh, it may fit, I'm not sure. Is it worth trying it? How many screws you got fixing holding that on?
That's different fixings.
Oh, is it? You've already looked at it?
I can see from here.
Oh, right. Yeah, so we haven't actually got a part for it, unfortunately. Where's that? The web one went down there. Now it's different again, isn't it?
They're different, yeah.
Yeah, so we haven't actually got a spare for it. I can't see if we've got any other mowers of that type in here. Again, we did have, but we got rid of them all when we had a good clear out not so long back. So we'll have to try and persevere with that one. If not, have a look for a second-hand one maybe. It's just the way it goes, isn't it? You can't keep spares for everything. We've got our little spare stash over here.
We did take one off that rotavator, didn't we?
Yeah, see, we have got loads of lawnmower spares over here as well, folks, but where do you start? What have we got here?
Different again. Same out there, isn't it?
Is it?
Yeah. No, we ain't got none of them.
Yeah, nothing at the top there.
No, they're all classic FREESYSTEMS.
Yeah, I thought we did have something like that. Well, obviously we have, but it's probably off a punch, isn't it? I would have thought.
Yeah, it's the same. What's on that?
Oh well.
Out there.
Right, so it looks like we've got to hopefully somehow try and make that start working again if we can. I can't quite see what the problem could be with that though, but it looks like there's a bit of damage on that there, doesn't it? In the middle there, maybe, I don't know.
Yeah, someone's been in there because there's only 2 screws holding it on. The bottom ones weren't in.
Oh, right, yeah. Right, well, bear with us for a minute, folks. We'll have a little think about it and see if we can come up with something. So we'll see you in a minute. Right, well, we've given it a really good clean, but it appears that when you pull it normally, it's not pulling out fast enough because this top disc is spinning. And that top disc is actually spring-loaded, where you can lift it and move it about. And the way it's spring-loaded is underneath there's a spring, and this bit looks like it's been splayed open a bit. But if you put pressure on that, a slight bit of pressure, as you can see, they come out perfectly just by putting a bit of pressure on there. So we're just wondering whether or not, if we spread this open a bit to put more tension on that top ring, maybe that will do it. So I've got my the air hammer gun there. Yeah, there's a roll pin through there, but I need to support that underside with something, maybe a socket. What's that there? That might be able to support it. Right, okay. So we need a pretty solid surface now. Right, let's just sit that on there like that for the moment. And maybe just a couple of short blasts on there. Or hopefully spread that enough where, there we go. It's done it, isn't it?
Looks like it.
There we go. They're coming out lovely now, look. It looks like that might have just been shrunk up a little bit. I just need a spray out to keep this tension down on that. So let's go and try that. And just sort of hold that into place where it'll go, and there we go. That's fixed it, isn't it?
Looks like it.
So it looks like just opening that up a little bit has allowed the spring tension to keep enough tension on that to enable them to. There, look at that, look. I haven't got to put much pressure on it at all, look. Just pull that gently like that. Right. We'll bolt this back on and then we'll give it a go and see if this thing actually runs. Well, while we've got it down this far, it'd be prudent just to change the cord on it as well. So we've just pulled it right out. Just going to cut off that little bit there. There we go. Just measure it off with a new bit of cord. Just stuck a screwdriver in there. That stops it zooming round. There you go. Leave just a little bit extra because we're going to tie the knot on with. Right, and I've got my lighter up on the shelf there, I think you'll find. And just burn the ends of the old cord just to stop it fraying. There you go. There you go, that's that. And just whack that through. Nice little knot in the end of it. Pretty straightforward job doing this. There you go. And back on with your cable, which the hole should go through there and is lined up there. And another knot at that end. Right at the end. There we go. And that's all you need to do. Pull that through. Take your screwdriver out. There you go. And that should pull back in lovely. There you go. And they're flicking out lovely. So we're just going to put this back on now with these little screws here. There was one missing at the bottom, so we're going to...
Two missing.
Oh, two missing at the bottom. So we're going to have to put some extra screws in there, folks. And we'll come back and do that and we'll see you in a minute. Right, okay. There you go. Back to normal now. Hopefully that should solve that problem there. So while we might as well just check the oil on it. Wasn't part of the job, but it's prudent not to do that anyway. It is for a neighbour, well, for anybody really. We'd do the same thing. Just have a look at that.
Well, I've had it tipped up, so I won't get a true read.
Yeah, so we'll just wipe it off and then have another double check. All these take SAE 30 oil. Just under max on that one, folks. So we think the oil's okay. As I say, repaired a leak on the fuel line there. So we have got the spark plug lead off.
Put that back on then.
Yeah, just whack that back on. Right, okay, so just giving it a blow off with the air gun as well. Get all the crap away from it. So let's see if she fires up. Hope we've got some fuel in it. Bearing in mind it had a possible fuel leak. Just get that workshop down.
Chokes on.
Yeah, just a little tinkering video this, folks, just to get you back in the mood again. Right, nothing stuck underneath it. Yeah, here we go. To be running all right.
Right, isn't it?
Seems to be running all right, doesn't it?
So that top is off.
There, that means off then, obviously.
Because you can see it touching the kill screen there.
Right, so when you put that switch to the top position or there, or is that a zero there, look? Is that a zero?
I was just reading that.
Yeah, don't know what that means. But that looks like a zero position, then you increase the throttle speed by pushing it that way, props. The choke is there, as you know. And there you go, she runs, she's a goer. So we'll just get it outside, folks, and we'll just give it a slight cut on the grass there, just to make sure it's up to speed and it's running all right. Right, okay, let's try and start it up again. Might need the choke, might not, I don't know. Try it without a choke. Oh, first time, how about that? Yeah, the mechanism works. What about the blade spinning? Yeah, look at that, she's cutting well. She's cutting well. Keep going. Try and get in the line, that's it. Well, nothing wrong with that, folks. There you go. Switch it off. I think we can safely say that's the job done.
You've just got to do the rest of it.
There you go. And it's actually given them a couple of little stripes and all, look. Alright, there you go, folks. Just another little quick one there for you. Hope you've enjoyed that. Just a bit of tinkering. It's the first good day of sun. And hopefully we've got some new videos coming up on the trotter van. I want to try and get that done, hopefully for Jimmy's wedding. So I'm going to have to start work on the engine, get that sorted out, then get everything put back together and all the other bits to refurbish as well. Anyway, I'm going to leave that here for now. We'll see you in the next video, and until then, bye for now.